Good morning, Primary 5. I am Miss Hadir, your math teacher. We have studied before multiplying a fraction and now we will study dividing a fraction. Let's start. Here, to divide 82 fractions, we have to follow steps. What are these steps? First, we have to keep the first fraction. Then, switch the sign or change the sign. Third, flip the fraction like that. We have here a over b divided c over d. First, keep the first fraction. It will be a over b. Switch the sign or change the sign. They are the same meaning, okay? It will be multiply. And flip the fraction. c over d will be d over c. We have here an example. 4 over 9 divided 5 over 7. Keep the first one. 4 over 9 will be the same 4 over 9. And switch the sign. Divided will be multiply. And flip the other fraction. 5 over 7 will be 7 over 5. And multiply the two fractions. We have here another example. 5 over 3 divided 7 over 4. Keep, switch, flip. 5 over 3 will be 5 over 3. Divided will be multiply. 7 over 4 will be 4 over 7. Then, as we have studied before, multiply top numbers, which are numerators, and multiply bottom numbers, which are denominators. 5 times 4 equals 20. 3 times 7 equals 21. Then the final answer is 20 over 21. So easy. Another exercise. 2 over 3 divided 4 over 5. Keep, switch, flip. 2 over 3 will be 2 over 3. Switch the sign. Divided will be multiply. And flip the fraction. 4 over 5 will be 5 over 4. Then multiply numerators and multiply denominators. 2 by 5 equals 10. 3 by 4 equals 12. We have here 10 over 12. The two numbers are even numbers, so they are needing simplifying. 10 and 12 divided 2. 10 divided 2 equals 5. 12 divided 2 equals 6. 5 over 6. Another exercise. Here we have two mixed numbers. How can we divide them? To divide mixed numbers, first you have to convert mixed numbers into an improper fraction as we have studied before. 6 and 2/3 divided 1 and 1/3. First fraction will be 20 over 3. How? 6 times 3 will be 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. Then divide 1 and 1/3. 1 by 3 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. We have here now 20 over 3 divided 4 over 3. How can we solve this? Keep, switch, flip. Keep the first fraction. 20 over 3 will be the same. Switch, divide will be multiply. Flip, 4 over 3 will be 3 over 4. Then multiply. We have studied before a butterfly method. Let's see. Here we have 3 and its opposite 3. The two numbers here are divisible by itself. 3 divided 3 equals 1 and 3 divided 3 equals 1. 20 and 4, they are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2 and divisible by 4. So we are going to take the greatest common factor, which is 4. 4 divided 4 equals 1. 20 divided 4 equals 5. Excellent. Then multiply the two fractions. 5 by 1 will be 5. 1 by 1 equals 1. 5 over 1 will be 5. So easy. Another example. 3 over 5 divided 2 and 6 over 15. We have here fraction and a mixed number. As we said before, convert mixed number into an improper fraction. There will it will be 3 over 5 divided 36 over 15. Then keep, switch, flip. Keep 3 over 5 will be the same, 3 over 5. Switch the sign, divided will be multiply, and flip the fraction. 36 over 15 will be 15 over 36. As we have studied before, the butterfly method. We have here 15 and its opposite is 5. 15 and 5, the two numbers here are divisible by 5. 5 divided 5 equals 1. 15 divided 5 will be 3. And we have here 3 and 36. The two numbers here are divisible by 3. Excellent. 3 divided 3 equals 1. 36 divided 3 will be 12. Then multiply numerators and denominators. 1 by 3 equals 3. 1 by 12 equals 12. 3 over 12, the two numbers here are divisible by 3. 3 divided 3 will be 1. 12 divided 3 equals 4. And the final answer is 1 over 4. Excellent. Another one. Here, what is a reciprocal? What is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal is the same meaning of flipping fraction. How? We have here 3 over 7. The reciprocal of 3 over 7 is 7 over 3. The numerator and denominator are swapped. Okay? Okay. Like that. If we have fraction like 2 over 3, I want to get the reciprocal of 2 over 3. So, flip the fraction. 2 over 3 will be 3 over 2. Okay, if we have a whole numbers, how can we get the reciprocal of it? First, you have to put 1 under the whole number to be a fraction. 3 over 1, its reciprocal will be 1 over 3. Like the same, 2 will be 1 over 2. 10 will be 1 over 10. So easy. Another example. Find the reciprocal. Oh, we have here a mixed number. How can we get the reciprocal of it? First, convert the mixed number into an improper fraction like that. 2 by 4 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 11 over 4. Get the reciprocal of 11 over 4. It will be 4 over 11. Another one. We have here 2 and 2/3. First, convert to an improper fraction. 2 by 3 equals 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 8 over 3, its reciprocal will be 3 over 8. Okay. Okay. To multiply any two reciprocal numbers, the final answer have to be 1. How? Look here. A over B multiply B over A equals 1. For example, if we have 2 over 5 multiply 5 over 2. Let's do it. 2 by 5 equals 10 and 5 by 2 equals 10. 10 over 10 equals 1. And here we have to know, to multiply any reciprocal fractions, the final answer have to be 1. We have here another exercise. Find the quotient of 4 over 5 divided 1 over 2. Keep, switch, flip. 4 over 5, it will be the same 4 over 5. Divide will be multiply. Flip the fraction, it will be 2 over 1. And the final answer will be 8 over 5. Okay, okay. Letter B, 3 over 8 divided 3 over 4. Keep, switch, flip. 3 over 8. Then multiply. Then 4 over 3. And final answer will be 1 over 2 after simplifying. Okay? Okay. Letter C, 1 over 2 divided 1 over 12. Keep, switch, flip. 1 over 2, then multiply, then 12 over 1. It will be 1 by 12 equal 12. 2 by 1 equals 2. 12 over 2 is the same, 12 divided 2, and the final answer will be 6. Letter D, 2 over 7 divided 5 over 7, keep switch flap, 2 over 7 multiply 7 over 5. Okay, and the final answer will be 2 over 5 after simplifying. Okay, don't forget simplifying the fraction. Question number 3, divide. 3 over 4 divided 9 over 10, keep switch flap. 3 over 4 multiply 10 over 9, simplifying the fraction. The final answer will be 5 over 6. Letter B, 2 over 5 divided 7 over 10. Keep switch flap. 2 over 5 multiply 10 over 7, and the final answer will be 4 over 7 after simplifying. Letter D, 9 over 10 divided 3 over 10. Keep switch flap. 9 over 10 multiply 10 over 3. After simplifying, the final answer will be 3. Letter E, 7 over 10 divided 9 over 10. Keep switch flap. 7 over 10 times 10 over 9, and the final answer will be 7 over 9 after simplifying. And now we have finished our lesson. I hope to be well. Thank you.